Hey guys, in this video I want to show you how to connect your Wi-Fi extender to your router. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so step one, plug in the extender. So plug your Wi-Fi extender in a power outlet halfway between your router and the area with a weak signal. Wait for the power lights to turn on solid. Step 2, connect to the router. So on your phone or laptop, go to Wi-Fi settings, connect to extender's default network's name, for example, Netgear or Links extender setup. Step 3, set up using a web browser. So open a browser and go to mywifiX.net. This is for Netgear, or extender.links.com. This is for Linksy, etc. Or check your extender's manual for the correct address. Then follow any on-screen instructions to scan for available Wi-Fi networks, choose your router's Wi-Fi name, and enter your router's Wi-Fi password. Now, after setup, the extender will reboot. The new extender network name is usually your original Wi-Fi name with a suffix like EXT or 2G EXT. Now, on your phone or laptop, reconnect to the new extended network. Check if the internet is working near the weak spot as well.